Hello everyone, SRSPC Tricks here. Today, I want to demonstrate how you can transform audio into text. We'll utilize an application that's included with Windows 10, and we'll combine that with a virtual audio cable. If this seems complex, don't worry, we'll guide you through each step. This method works for all major languages, it's completely free, and there are no time constraints whatsoever. So let's dive into the PC and explore how to accomplish this task. Setting up the Windows Dictation tool. Firstly, I mentioned we'll use two separate tools, and the good news is you already have one of these tools. It's the Dictation tool, which is free and comes with Windows 10. If you haven't used it before, you can launch it by pressing the Windows logo key on your keyboard along with the H key. This will open the Dictation tool at the top of your screen. To start listening, simply click on the microphone icon. For example, if I say, testing, 1, 2, 3, it transcribes it into text. Once you're finished, click on the microphone icon again to stop listening. The Dictation tool is excellent for transcribing live audio, such as speaking directly into it, using virtual audio cable. But what if you want to transcribe a video file or pre-recorded audio? For that, we need another tool called a virtual audio cable. Let's open our web browser and download it. My preferred virtual audio cable is made by VB Audio Software, available for free on their website. This tool allows us to capture audio output from applications like video players or podcasts and feed it into the Dictation tool. Configuring sound settings. After downloading and installing the virtual audio cable, we need to set up our computer to use it. In the search field on the taskbar, type sound and click on the best match for sound settings. In the sound settings window, modify two settings. Choose cable input as the output device. Choose cable output as the input device. This setup allows audio output from any source to be fed into the Dictation tool as if it were coming from a microphone. Converting audio to text. With everything configured, we're ready to convert audio into text. For instance, I opened my web browser and navigated to a video. I want to transcribe the talk track from this video. So, I open Windows Dictation by pressing Windows logo key plus H, and then I play the video. Next, I click into Notepad, making it the active field, and then I click on the microphone icon in the Dictation tool. Now, the tool is listening to the video and converting the talk track into text. It's pretty impressive. The final transcript might need minor corrections in punctuation or accuracy, but it's generally readable and understandable. You can do this with any audio or video content to generate a transcript. If you found this guide helpful, please let me know in the comments if you were able to successfully transcribe a file. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more in the future, consider subscribing. That's all for today. I hope you found this information valuable, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.